Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do question answer of this chapter number 11, the pronoun. Well, yesterday I I made the video on this chapter, that is chapter number 11, the pronoun, and in the previous video I had given explanation of the most important part, second part of speech, that is the pronoun. And in the on that video I had given definition of the pronoun, and after that I had given explanation of the kinds of pronoun. Well, there are 9 kinds of pronoun, that are personal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive, indefinite, reflexive, reciprocal, and exclamatory pronoun. All these pronoun I had given explanation, and also I had given there are some important point that I had mentioned in the video. So today we will start discussing question answer. Exercise A. Write the correct form of pronouns in the following sentences. So here there are some sentences given in this exercise, and also options are given in the bracket. We should choose the correct option and fill in the blank. The house the house that I purchased was costly. The house that I purchased was costly. The answer is the house which I purchased was costly, because the relative pronoun which is used for non-living thing and animal. That's why the house it is non-living thing. That's why we use which. Dash is present from my uncle. This is a present from my uncle. Well, this is demonstrative pronoun because it demonstrate. Okay, this sentence it show demonstrate something. That's why it is demonstrative pronoun. This is present from my uncle. Dash, what do you do in your spare time? Well, this question, what it is a kind of interrogative pronoun. Like, what do you do? The pronoun that asks the question. What do you do in your spare time? I myself did this work. This pronoun myself, it is called reflexive pronoun. This pronoun we use when the subject does something to itself. 5. I am not so rich as him. Him, it is we use him because I, it is singular nominative case of I, and I am not so rich as him. Because him, only him we should use as a object. He is a pronoun. We cannot use he. Now point number 6. Let dash go to college now. Let us go to college now. Point number 7. Nobody but dash was present there. Nobody but she was present there. We should use personal pronoun she. This is the fellow that met me yesterday. This is relative pronoun. Here it relates something to someone. This is the fellow who met me yesterday. Dash what he say is correct. Dash he say is correct. Answer is what he say is correct. Point number 10. All that glitters is not gold. Answer is all that glitters is not gold. Now let's get started doing exercise. Be correct the following sentence. Okay, 10 sentences are given in this exercise. We need to identify the wrong one and correct the sentence. This is the lady that helped me. Well, we had discussed in the previous video that the relative pronoun that we should not use when there is a person mentioned in the sentence. Lady is the person, so we must use relative pronoun who. She is the lady who helped me. Second, my friend which lived in London returned yesterday. Well, we should remove which. We should use we should use who instead of relative pronoun which. My friend who lived in London returned yesterday. Myself, I did it. Okay, myself, we use myself as a objective case. Okay, so we can write I did it by myself. Point number 4, I offered him help but which he didn't take. I offered him help but that he did not take. Point number 5, I and you have done my job. Well, it's wrong because in this sentence there are two persons, and whenever we see there are two persons, we should use our. I and you have done our job because this sentence is talk about two persons. These are my books. Well, are it is plural and we cannot use these because this is a singular, so we must use these. These are my books. Lata knows the man which came yesterday. Again, here which is used for non-living thing, so we must eliminate which and use who. Lata knows the man who came yesterday. Point number 8. The lady which hosted the dinner is my aunt. Again, here it is given which, relative pronoun which. We should eliminate this. We should write who. We should use who instead of using which. The lady who hosted the dinner is my aunt. Himself had done it. It's wrong. We should correct it by writing he had done it himself. She hurt her while playing in the park. Well, she hurt herself while playing in the park. So now we have done exercise A and B. Let's get started doing exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate relative noun. The woman that you want to meet has just gone. The woman whom you want to meet has just gone. The doctor that visited today is famous. The doctor who visited today is famous. Third point, the shop that I visited is very expensive. Well, the shop it is non-living thing, so we should use a relative pronoun that. The shop that I visited is very expensive. I have found the pen which I lost, which is also used for non-living things. So that we can write we can use relative pronoun which. I have found the pen which I lost. I don't know dash to do. I don't know what to do. The book dash which I purchased yesterday is very good. The book which I purchased yesterday is very good. This is the house that belongs to my uncle. This is the same fellow. Fellow means friend. Okay, this is the same friend that came to me yesterday. Who came to me yesterday? The man that is honest is trusted. Who is honest is trusted. The moment that is lost forever. Which is lost forever. Exercise D. Look at the picture. There are two friends of yours, one boy and one girl. Name them and write 5 sentences each on both of them using pronoun. Well, look at the picture. You should imagine that these are your friends, one boy and one girl, and you said you should make 5 sentences, each one, both of them using pronoun. First sentence it is given already. Amit is my friend. He is very intelligent. So first sentence it is given noun. Okay, noun is there. That is Amit. Second sentence it written using as a pronoun he. After that we should write 5 sentences. That I have written 3 sentences. He always help others. He likes to play football. He goes to market daily. He always respect his elders. He always respect the elders. Second thing, Sarita is my classmate. She is a good girl. She lives in Patna. When she visits to Patna, she always come to meet me. She is very kind-hearted. So always here you can see that I have used a personal pronoun he and she she. So that is the pronoun. It is very very important to learn what is pronoun. Then we will be able to make correct sentence. So that's enough for today. Thank you.